Luxurious Bathroom Decor Ideas 2025. Elegant and modern interior design trends. Welcome to your next design obsession, luxurious bathroom decor ideas for 2025. This video is a curated visual journey through the most elegant and modern bathrooms, showcasing timeless designs, high-end materials, and smart innovations that define luxury in today's interior world. If you're planning a bathroom renovation or simply dreaming of a spa-like retreat in your own home, this video brings you stunning decor ideas to inspire your next project. From freestanding soaking tubs to glamorous lighting, and gold-accented vanities to marble wall cladding, we highlight all the 2025 trends that bring both comfort and sophistication to your daily routine. What's inside this video? Elegant luxury bathroom interiors for homes and hotels. Top 2025 trends. Modern spa bathrooms, smart fixtures, and bold finishes. Design inspirations using marble, gold, brass, onyx, and matte black. Layout ideas for both compact and spacious luxury bathrooms. Relaxing, atmospheric lighting and floating vanities. Statement mirrors, rainfall showers, and artistic wall accents. 2025 bathroom design highlights. Smart bathrooms with sensor-based lighting, smart mirrors and touchless faucets. Nature-inspired elements including natural stone and wood accents. Open concept showers with glass enclosures and minimal trims. Layered lighting with chandeliers, sconces and LED strip lights. Neutral palettes accented with black, navy, emerald, or gold. Organic textures paired with modern clean lines. Perfect for interior designers and decorators. Homeowners planning a bathroom makeover. Architects and luxury home builders. Real estate developers targeting high-end buyers. Anyone looking for relaxing, high-style interiors. Expert tips. Stick to a consistent color palette for a cohesive feel. Invest in quality materials like marble, brass, or quartz. Mix soft textiles like plush towels with hard textures like tile or stone. Use oversized mirrors to make the space feel larger and brighter. Don't skip storage. Elegant bathrooms need to be functional, too. Don't forget to like this video to support more home design content. Subscribe for weekly interior design inspiration. Drop a comment with your favorite luxurious element. Share with friends, clients, or design professionals.